Today I will unbox top-tier ergonomic keyboard, and it's not only about a tool, it's also about changing my life. Feels incredible. By the way, it was not just only about clicking buy on website, it's also finding right contact, testing my negotiation skills to receive 20% discount. And thank you, Barbara and all Dygma team for that opportunity to show this keyboard. I have ordered two types of switches. The first one was tactile. When you click, it has like a small feedback when it activates. And the second one is linear, when you want to have a smooth clicks without any feedback. I also received two types of keycaps. The first one is Dash. Take a look on them, they're just amazing. The second one is US keycaps, which I needed to train my speed on this new keyboard layout, which I'm not used to, and I think they will help me a lot. When you buy a premium product, you also want to receive everything that you might need, and in this case, it's true. I also received Kailh switch puller, microfiber cloth, and small brush to clean my keyboard.
Dygma Defy!
It's hard to explain the first feelings, because when I first opened the box, the keyboard was super amazing. Looks incredible. The box itself, inside it looks amazing. You know, when you see this kind of keyboard, you think like, oh my god, who did this? What god did this? Buttons under your big fingers? Amazing.
Работает! Она уже...